Hello, my name is Marelos Reyes, and today I will be talking about space. First, I will tell you two reasons why humans should explore space, and then I will give you two reasons why humans should not explore space. Also, at the end, I will telling you three things that it caught my attention about space. Let's start with the three reasons why humans should explore space. The first one that I consider a good reason is to see if there is life in another planet. I mean, there are many researches about this, but they haven't find life in another country, and that would be great if they at the end find life. And the second one is that they could have more knowledge or information about space, and I think this is very important because there are many people in charge of this type of investigations, like career people that are studying a specific career, also scientifics and astronauts. And I think it would be great for them if they find more information about space. And the last one is because I consider that in some way, if humans explore space, they could contribute to our planet. That's one very important that I consider because I read an article that said that if they find life in another planet, that could help to our planet. And that's what I think are very important, those three reasons. Now I will tell you three reasons why humans should not explore space. The first one is because it's very expensive. And yes, it is, because in that article that I read, it says that it's very expensive to do this type of investigation because they have to spend a lot of money in necessary things that they will need that they need, to, for example, travel to the moon, like the costumes they wear in, or the clothes that they wear. I don't know what it is, but it's expensive. And the second one, what I think humans shouldn't travel to the space, it's because maybe dangerous if they don't take the necessary measures. I mean, I think that those people who do this type of investigations, they need to follow some rules that are very important, because if they don't follow those rules, they also can die, and that could be dangerous for them. And I think that's what another reason why humans should not explore space. And the third one, in the last one, it's that, as I said before, humans can contribute exploring the space, but at the same time, they can damage it. Why? Because it will be a disadvantage if it damage another planet. For example, like in our planet right now, we are humans and we make mistake, and sometimes we damage our planet. Can you imagine if they find life in another planet? It could be something similar, and I think it will be a disadvantage. And now I will tell you three things that caught my attention about space. And the first one is stars. I choose stars because I think are very beautiful, very shining, and you can see it at night on the sky and look very, very nice. And I will give you a short definition about what is a star. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a luminous spheroid of plasma. It says that's the definition of stars. And the second thing that it caught my attention, it was the moon. because as I said before, as stars, the moon, I think it's very nice, very shining too. And I consider that the moon is like a big star for me, but okay, but of course it's not. And it's an astronomical body. The definition said that it's an astronomical body orbiting Earth, and is the planet's only natural satellite. I don't know how can I pronounce that word, but satellite it says. And the third thing that it calls my attention was the planets, of course. I love to see, well, I don't love, but I like to see planets in those pictures. It looked very nice, each one in a different size and different colors. I don't know if they are like that in the real life, but they look very nice and I like it. And now I will give you a short definition about what is a planet. A planet is also an astronomical orbiting a star or a stellar remnant that it's massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity. And those are the three things that I like it, and the reasons why I think humans should travel or shouldn't travel to a space or exploring space. Thank you.